tonneau cover for my Honda Ridgeline. Ordered it on Amazon. Go ahead and see what we got with it here. Looks like there's a seal. Actually came with a light. The directions. So it's a 3-fold hardtop tonneau cover. So it looks like there's 9 steps to install it. So shouldn't be too hard. I got Chloe here to help me too, so she'll be able to give me a hand. So let's see what's in these little boxes maybe first. Probably the hardware.
Hardware?
The mounting hardware. Yep. So here's some brackets. Looks like aluminum brackets. So I got to take out the existing screws in the bed, and I'll mount these. So there's 2 separate instructions. It's pretty well packaged. I got cardboard bubble wrap and this foam, pretty hard, dense foam wrapped all the way around it to hopefully keep the corners nice. We'll find out. Let's see if I can. There we go. It's three-fold, but it's all one piece, so feels pretty nice. Cool. So we'll go ahead and read the instructions real quick and start getting it installed. So first step, it says to put the seal on. So of course I'm in Oregon. It's always raining. So I'm drying this off real quick. And then I'll let that dry for a bit. And then we'll put that seal on there. And then next it says place the cover up against the top there and then unfold it. And then we will put the clamps on. But that's the instructions for the tonneau cover. But I need to put the aluminum clips on first, which came with separate instructions, so the clamps can actually go down. So we're going to remove the there's 6 screws, and we're going to mount the clamps here. So we can actually clamp the tonneau cover down. So you obviously need to do this first before you put the tonneau cover on, otherwise you have nothing to clamp it down to. So I'll bring you a little closer here. So I'm going to actually take that out, and there's another one there on both sides. That's the next step. We're going to take that out and install the bracket here. So I found the correct bit. And it looks like it goes on like so. Not sure. I need it to go all the way up or down, but I'm gonna pull it all the way up for now, and if we have to adjust it, we can adjust it later. So that's it. Pretty simple.
How do you get out? Oh.
Other way. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Perfect.
That worked.
Yep. And then grab your bracket.
Which bracket?
Like that. Yep. You're going to stick it on like so. Yep.
Like this?
Yep. And then screw it to the right.
Ready?
Okay. It's tight. Perfect.
Yeah.
Right on. Do you want to move on to the next one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to take it out.
Yeah.
What, do I switch it?
Nope. You're good. It's on the right way. Yep. So it's going to take it out lefty.
Oh,
Oh yeah. It's power. Oh.
What is it doing?
You gotta hold it real strong. So here, ready? I'll come give you a hand. So you push right here. Ready? There you go. Perfect. It's just on there pretty tight. Job. Yep.
I keep turning it right.
It's okay. That's how you learn. It's awesome, huh? And I'll hold it all the way to the top for you. And then when you put it on, it won't move.
People.
And then you're going to switch the lever. Yep, there you go. And just pull it real light. Okay, push a little harder. Okay, perfect. Right on. And then we'll go to the other side and do the other three. Sound good? Nope, you got it that time. Perfect. I'm going to hold
you
it
make
up.
it look easy, but it's actually really hard.
Here, I'll hold it up high for you. And then it won't wiggle jiggle. Perfect. Here, try to hold it super flat. Like stick it on there and keep it as flat as you can. Okay, that's good. Perfect. There you go. That feel good? It's on there? All right.
Next one.
Yep.
I'm learning.
That's awesome, huh?
What was it?
It's tight again, huh? Remember, hold it super tight. Ready? Yeah. Oh, you have it on tighten and not loosen. There we go. Try that. Oh, it snapped the bit right off.
Oh, God.
Look, you were so strong, you broke the bit.
We have to get a new one?
Well, I won't have this bit, but we'll find another one that'll work.
Yeah, that's fine.
You're strong. All right, we got a new bit.
Yeah.
There we go. Chloe's so strong, she snapped it right off.
But I don't lift, so
Yeah, I know.
I'm not that strong.
Did you switch it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Yep, perfect. That's good. Good job. All right, let's move on to the next step.
It's not crooked.
It's not crooked. Good.
This is life.
Chloe's going to dry it a little bit more just to make sure. We got the brackets on. Now we're going to do the seal.
It's
So
dirt.
it's pretty dry. It looks pretty dry now.
Yeah, there's dirt on it that I was drawing, that's all.
Oh, good. Cleaned up. So we're going to put the seal on now. I grabbed the tonneau cover just to see. We're going to go. You want to hide, Cole?
Yeah.
Just to see how far the seal needed to come out on the edges here. Because it is extra long.
Hi.
There's Chloe. You want to grab that side, sweetie? Thank you. And then I'm going to go ahead and...
Why is it so long?
So I think it was about here. I'm going to put it on a little longer and I can cut it. But I'm going to start my end, Chloe. And then we'll work down, hopefully. All right, Chloe got that side.
I'm smart.
I couldn't get my fingers there. Her little fingers help. So she's going to grab that end. I'm going to start it over here.
That's one benefit of being little.
Yep. I'm going to stick it down first there, and then just slowly kind of pull the tape off and stick it down. I'm going to get up in here.
I pull it.
Okay. You going to pull it? Here, slowly. Teamwork. And then when you get close to the end, we'll wait. And I'm going to cut it. So.
They don't want me like that.
Okay.
Shouldn't this be back? Pushed back?
Nope. I think we're good right there.
Yeah.
All right. So we're just going all the way to the end here. And I'm going to try to...
Pants are wet.
It's going to leave it on, actually. And then I'll cut it later. So seals on.
Art.
Okay. Chloe's going to go ahead and put the mounting bracket on. This is for the back one that doesn't come off. Or fold up, sorry.
Like this?
Yep, so she's going to hold that there. And then screw on. You got it started? There you go. Just going to tighten that down.
Am I going the right way?
Yep, you're tightening it down. It's perfect. Good job.
This looks crooked.
Yep, it is crooked. That's how it's going to be.
Oh.
Yeah, it's okay. Cool. So now you want to try to stand up and pull on the tonneau cover, see if it moves?
Super easy.
Yep. So kind of pull up on this, the lower one. Yep.
This?
Yep. Yep, it's stayed, right? Pretty sturdy? Cool.
Yep.
So now we'll move on to the next one, which are these.
Okay.
So the next step is to screw on the mounting clamps. So we're gonna, put it on like that way. Yep.
Is it mine?
So there's a hole
Oh god.
here, and then there's a hole in. Sorry, Chloe. I'm just gonna show.
Okay.
There's a hole in that right there, and it's threaded.
So hard.
So the black one's not threaded. So you got to line it up there, and then also line it up there, and then you can start screwing it down. So we're gonna have Chloe do that.
Okay.
We'll start with it facing this way.
So, you put it like that?
Yep. And then you want to line up that little hole there, Chloe?
Is it lined?
I think so. And then start turning it to the right. And it should screw. And is it going? Yep. Keep going. Perfect. So if you look, it's starting to thread in there.
Do I keep screwing it?
We'll wait and see. It might be far enough. So we'll go ahead and close down
Really easy.
that section of the tonneau cover. And we'll try to latch it. We'll see. Ready?
Super easy. Super hard.
Ready, Chloe? Will you slide that one over, Chloe? A little bit on the other side? Yeah. Slide it in toward us.
Oh.
The whole thing. Yep. There you go. Just so it doesn't hit the edge. All right. And then.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Bye.
Want to test it and see if it'll clamp? So we're going to go ahead and clamp it down now. So you just line that up. It slides and you push down.
Like
Like
that?
so. So I think we'll turn it a little bit more.
Can I try?
Yeah, go ahead and spin it more, Chloe. We'll tighten it.
This way?
Nope, other way. Yep. Oh, wait, no, you were right. That way, the other way. Yep, perfect. Yeah, spin it a few times. Okay, now let's try to clamp it.
Like,
Yep, slide it toward the edge, and then that lip will go underneath there. So open it back up and then slide it. Yep, perfect. Now push it down. Too much, so we probably have to loosen it. Yep, so take it back out. Up, there you go, and then turn it the other way. Yeah, there you go. Try it now. So you turn it once, now push down. Perfect. Okay, now that's closed. And we'll do the same thing on this one in the back. And then we're done. All right, we got the last two on. We're gonna test it out here.
Bye.
Chloe, silly goose.
Yeah, I know I am.
You can try to do that one now. Let's see if we got enough. I think you're gonna have to go down. You have to loosen it a little more. Yep. Well, you loosen that. I'll see if mine's. I think that might be. Got that one. Okay.
Am I doing it the wrong way?
Well, you're tightening it, so go down the other way.
Oh.
Yep. There you go. Okay. Maybe try that.
This way?
Let's see. Nope, that's the other way. There you go. Try that. That's a couple times. There. Perfect. Okay. Push, push, push. And might be too tight. Let me see. Nope, we're good. Okay. All right. And it did come with a few spare parts. So let me get the light out of here and Chloe out of there, and we'll see if
I can get out.
Yeah. We'll shut the tailgate here and see if it closes. Yeah. Okay.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Yay!
It's not opening, right? Cool. I'll go ahead and shut that. Is it heavy?
I got it. Oh God.
There. Okay.
Does it leak?
I don't know. We'll find out when
Nope.
it starts raining. Cool. So that's it.
Pretty sure it's
Pretty
outside.
simple. I'll trim this up a little, trim the other side, and we got it on. It's pretty good.
Yay. Super easy.
So he's going to open it up for us. He's going to unlatch it. Okay, just pull the lever up on both sides, and then you're going to fold it. And then you're going to pull the lever up again. On the others, yep, pull that one. Perfect. And then before we fold it, we're going to tuck this in. I'm going to tuck that one in too, Cole.
This?
Yep. Kind of bend it down, and you're going to pull it toward the back. There you go. Got it? Perfect. And then we'll open it. She already unlatched this side already. We'll go down.
And then do the same thing with this?
Yep. Latch that in. And then we have the safety strap. You're going to buckle it
I'll do this side.
in. Got it in. Is it tight? Perfect.
Yep.
And it's easy as that. So if we did want to actually take the whole thing out, we would just have to unscrew that one down there, and it would come right out in minutes. So, which is really nice. So if you want to haul something bigger, whatever, motorcycle, four-wheeler, whatever, you can pop it out probably in a couple minutes. And it's pretty light. I picked that whole thing up and put it in there by myself. So cool. Thanks for your help, Clay. What do you think? Was it hard or easy, or you think anybody else can do it? No problem?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.